Hi, I'm Laura Kimberly. I'm an aesthetic nurse in Boston, Massachusetts, and my specialty is non-surgical facial augmentation and anti-aging. And I'm here today to talk to you about Botox. Botox is going to go into areas of muscle movement, so anywhere where you really move. Forehead, obviously I have some Botox. In between your eye, around the eyes, crow's feet. You can put it in the lower face, but when you're starting off with Botox and fillers, which I'm assuming a lot of you are if you're watching YouTube tutorials, you want to stick to Botox upper face, fillers lower face. Okay, so where on the face can you inject Botox? Forehead, between the eyes, otherwise known as the glabella, crow's feet, and for my beginners, that's the areas on the upper face you want to do. For my more advanced Botox people, oh sorry, that's my dog barking, you have around the nose, the bunny lines. You can do lip lines. You can do the DOAs, which control the corners of the mouth. I usually don't recommend that for people. You can do under the eyes. That's for the jelly roll look that you get kind of when you smile. You can do in the jawline for TMJ, and that's also going to kind of elongate the face. You can do a little in the chin, and that's going to relax this line right here. Lots of places you can put Botox, really anywhere you can move. Most people though are going to be sticking to the upper face.